Welcome to this Mathis channel. Are you ready for today's video, kids? How are you today, kids? Today we are going to color a bunny teapot. Are you ready, kids? Let's start coloring. There we go, our bunny teapot. There are a lot of things on the table. There's a bunny teapot and 2 cups of tea and a cupcake and what? And a cookie. That's right. So sweet and tasty, right? Do you like cookie? Or you prefer cupcake? Do you like drinking tea, kids? Yes. Most of them are sweet, but they are tasty. They are good. Let's color the teapot. Let's color the teapot with brown color. And for the cap of the teapot, we color it with the darker brown color. Now let's color the cap. You can color it with brown as well, or you can color it with different colors. Let's color the other cup. Now let's color the tea. You can color it with yellow, orange, or you can even leave it white or use other color like green. Now let's color the tea on the other teacup. You can color it with orange or yellow or any other color you like. Now let's have a look at the cupcake and the cookies. We will color the cupcake. Yes, you can change the color of the cup as well, okay? Any color that you like. Now the cupcake. Do you like cupcake, kids? Are they good? Are they sweet? Yes. They are sweet. The tea on the cup is sweet. The cupcake is also sweet. And the cookies are always sweet. Do you like your mom cookies? Yes, mom usually bake cookies. I hope you like the cookies and the cupcake. Now let's color the cupcake. You can color the topping of the cupcake with this color, but you can change the combination. For example, you can change it into green, yellow, or other color. They all will always look great like this. and the color change according to the taste. For example, when it is pink, usually strawberry, right? Now let's color the cookies with brown or orange or yellow or black. With chocolate. Do you like chocolate cookies? Or you can color it light brown or even white. Do you like this color? Okay, now let's color the table. Perhaps it is a tablecloth. Let's color it green. Now let's color the wall. It's so lovely to color it with this color. It is pink or red. Now let's color the decoration on the wall. We color it with a combination of red and yellow. Looks great. Now if you can see the teapot, there's a smoke comes out of the teapot. It's colored with blue, or you can leave it white, or you can use other color like yellow. And there are bubbles. You can color it with white, yellow, or other color. Yellow, look great, kids. What do you think of our coloring